We have already learnt about the poem Malu Balu. Today we will revise some question answer from this poem, like what did the name of polar bear? Here the question is asked with WH word what. So here we write down the name of the polar bear. Here there are 4 options is given as a answer. Like here we choose the correct answer, like Malu Balu, B. Alu Shalu, C. Alu Balu, D. Balu Balu. Balu Balu. Here, according to the poem, you will choose the correct answer of the question. Like here, the correct answer is Malu Balu. So the correct option is A. What did the name of the polar bear? Here the name of the polar bear is Malu Balu. Second number, Malu Balu lived in dash. Here you write down the name of the place where Malu Balu live. Polar bear live. Here there are 4 options. From out of them you will choose the correct option as the answer, like a sandy layer, B. an icy layer, C. an easy layer, D. a woody layer. Here the correct answer is an icy layer. That means the correct answer is option B. Now third number, from whom Malu Balu learnt to catch fish. Here from whom, that means you write down the name of the person from whom Malu Balu learnt to catch fish. Here there are 4 options, like here option A, her parents, B. her friends, C. her cousins, D. her neighbors. Here the correct answer is her parents. Malu Balu learnt to catch fish from her parents. Here Malu Balu is a female bear. So here we write down, we use the pronoun her parents. Which word means strict? First is firm, B. shade, D. C. male, D. splash. Here the correct answer is firm. Fifth number, Malu's parents wanted her to learn art of dash. Here which art did the Malu's parents want to learn? कि मालू बालू के पेरेंट हैं वो उसको क्या सिखाना चाहते हैं? लाइक लिविंग, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, बी. आर्ट ऑफ सिंगिंग, सी. आर्ट ऑफ प्लेइंग, डी. आर्ट ऑफ स्विमिंग. Here Malu's parents wanted her to learn art of swimming. What does the word gripped means? Here you find out what does the word gripped means. Here there are four options like fold, B, hold, C, sold, D, cold. Here the correct answer is hold. Gripped, that means hold. 7 number, Malu learnt that skill of swimming too with help of her. Malu Balu already learnt to learn the skill of swimming. From which? From whom? Here Malu Balu learnt that the skill of swimming too with the help of her. Yes, my dear, the correct answer is mother. Malu learnt that skill of swimming too with the help of her mother. Malu wanted to travel beyond the vast dash. Malu wanted to travel beyond the vast. Here, the correct answer of the question is Grey Hill, B, Grey Land, C, the moon, D, blue sky. Here, the correct answer is Malu wanted to travel beyond the vast blue sky. 9 number, whom does C stand for in the poem? Here you find out the name of the person to whom the pronoun C stand. Here for Malu Balu, B for Malu's mother, C for Malu's father, for Malu's brother. Here father and mother is a male noun, so we do not use the pronoun C for that. But here Malu Balu and Malu's mother is a female noun, so we use for that the pronoun C. But here the pronoun C is used for the Malu Balu. 10 number, which word means then in the poem Malu Balu? Here there are 4 options to choose as an answer. Here fair, B, gare, C, pair, D, lair. Here the lair means, the word lair means the word lair means dam. Now question number 2, answer the following questions. Who was Malu Balu? Here the question is asked with WH word who. So we write down here the name of the person or animals which are used as a character in the story. Here Malu Balu. Here Malu Balu was a polar bear which is used as a character in the poem. So the correct answer is Malu Balu was a little polar bear. Where did Malu Balu live with her family? Here the question is asked with where. So you find out the name of the place as a answer. Where Malu Balu live with her family. Here Malu Balu. According to the poem, Malu Balu lived in the icy layer, in an icy layer with her family. Question number 3. What did Malu learn to do from her parents? Here find out the skill and also find out the things from her parents. Malu Balu live. Here the answer of the question is Malu learnt fishing and swimming from her parents. Here Malu learnt fishing and swimming from her parents. This is the art, this is the skill learnt from her parents. Where did Malu wanted to travel? Here the question is asked with WH word where. So my dear, you find out the name of the place where Malu wanted to travel. Here the answer is Malu wanted to travel beyond the vast blue sky. Here the vast blue sky indicate the name of the place where Malu wanted to travel. Now question number 5th. What did Malu's parents wanted to learn Malu? Here what did Malu's parents wanted to learn Malu? Here write down the name of the skill and the name of the art which Malu Balu's parents wanted to learn her. Here the answer is Malu's parents wanted Malu to learn the art of swimming. Malu's parents wanted Malu to learn the art of swimming. Now question number 3a. Match the following. Here some adjectives are given in section A and the noun is given in the section B, which are used in the poem like icy, polar, blue, young. Here the nouns is bear, sky, layer and girl. The adjective icy is used in the poem for, find out my dear, yes, layer. Icy layer. The adjective polar is used for what? For what? We use the polar in the poem. Yes, my dear. Find out. Yes. Polar bear. Polar bear. Now, third number, blue. Then we use for, yes, sky. Blue sky. And at last, young girl. Okay, my dear. So, the first answer is option C, layer, icy, layer. Second, polar, the answer is bear, polar, bear. Third, blue, that answer is B, blue sky. Fourth number, the option is D, young girl. Yes. Now question number 3b. Fill in the blanks. Yes, first is Malu Balu is a dash. Here the words which are bold are the answer of the blanks. Like Malu Balu is a polar dash. Yes, the answer is bear. Malu Balu is a polar bear. Second, Malu Balu live with her family in IC dash. IC क्या था बेटा? Yes, my dear, find out. Yes, Malu Balu live with her family in IC layer. Malu wanted to travel beyond the vast blue sky. Yes, the answer is sky. Malu wanted to travel beyond the vast blue sky. Now, fourth number, Malu was covered with white hair. White hair. उसके सर पे क्या होता है बेटा? White fur होती है. उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? White hair. Malu Balu was covered with white hair. Now, write the question number 3c. Write the meaning of the following words. Layer, that means yes, Dan. Intelligent, that means clever. Clasped, that means hold. Clasped means hold. Firm, that means strict. Now complete the poem. Now complete the lines of the poem. These lines of the poem complete with the help of your textbook. Substitute one word of the following phrase. Wild animal, where wild animals lying place. Yes, that is called layer 10. Long hair on the neck of some animals. Yes, that is called mane. M-A-N-E, mane. Covered with ice. That place which is covered with ice. Yes, that is icy place. Great strength. That is called might. Okay, my dear. Now you write down the answer of the following questions on cell. Like, what is your name? My name is like Divya. Here you write down your name. My name is like Rahul, like Mehul, Reena, etc. Here you write down your name. Like my name is Divya. How old are you? Here you write down the age of your. How old you? In which class? You write down the age of, the years of your age. Here like I am 12 years old. I am here 12 years old. You write down the years of your age here. In which class do you study? I am in class 5th. What is your school name? Where is it? Here you write down your school name. Like here, my school name is KV Jagania Primary English Medium School, and it is on the Maharshi Arvind Ghosh marg. Okay, it is on the Jagana road. Who is your principal? Here you write down the name of your principal. Here you write down here the name of our principal ma'am. Like here, Mrs. Sijal Ben Dave is our principal ma'am. What is your class teacher's name? Here you write down your class teacher's name. Like here, Mr. Divyas Joshi is our class teacher. Now, how many classrooms are there in your school? Here, there are 24 classrooms in our school. Here, the spelling of room is ROOM, not triple O. Okay. 8 number. How many teachers are there in your school? Here write down the number of the teachers who teaches you in your school. Here there are 22 teachers in our school. Who teaches you English? Here you write down the name of your English teacher. Like here, Mr. Ashwin teaches us English. Do you like your school? Yes, I like my school so much. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have learned it, you have revised this poem Malu Balu. This question answer of the poem Malu Balu very well, and you will learn it very well. Thank you very much.